Hi guys, I am Siddharth Kaushik, and in this video I am going to show you how you can set up cloud server or VPS server with the free panel Webuzo, which is almost same like cPanel or WHM in DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean is a popular cloud server solution uh, that provides multiple services. So you need to sign up on this. I have already signed up, so I'm gonna go to my dashboard. So after coming to your dashboard, you need to click on create droplet. Virtual private servers offered by DigitalOcean to users are known as droplets. Now you need to choose your operating system for your server. I'm gonna use CentOS 7. After that, you need to choose your CPU, like how much RAM, processor, storage do you need. I'm gonna use this for now. A data center stores and shares applications and data, so I recommend you to choose it according to where your website is gonna run. Like I'm gonna run my website in India, so I'm gonna choose Bangalore, and if you are from United States you can choose San Francisco. It depends. So you need to create a password. You can fill your host name, you can write anything. This is for your reference. Now click on the create droplet button. So as you can see, our cloud server has been created. You can see the details. So what we are gonna do now is install Webuzo panel in our cloud server or VPS hosting. So Webuzo is a LAMP stack specially designed to manage server just like cPanel or WHM. It has all the features and apps to deploy or manage website. So now we need to click on access console button. Click on the launch droplet console. So first we need to install Wget command. I will provide all the links in description, so you can copy the codes from. So copy this code and paste it into your console. Then press enter. Type Y and press enter. Now we are gonna install Webuzo. So copy this code from the site and paste it into your console one by one. Now Webuzo installation has been started and this will take few minutes. So as you can see, the installation has been completed. Now copy this link and paste it into your browser. Now fill in the details like username, email, password. So if you have a domain, you can write it here or you can add it later. If you don't have a domain, you can write your IP address here. If you have added your IP address, copy this example.com link and paste it into here in your name server field. Leave the license key blank and click on the install button. As you can see, Webuzo setup has been completed. You can access your dashboard from this link. You can now manage your website from your Webuzo dashboard, like you can add your database. You can add your domain. You can access your website file manager from here. Enter the username password that you entered during the setup. If you want to install web apps like WordPress, you can search and install it. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope this helped you. Bye bye.